Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're from in the whole wide world. This is Mad Pixie with another video. Oh look, we've got some horses. Spin your own. There you go. Right, today I've come an hour out my way. I've gone to Folly Dolly Falls. Let me say sorry about the traffic. Which is in I forgot what it's called now. Maltham, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's not too far from Holmfirth. I think I'm on the right track. So I shall see you in a bit. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. Well, you know, you can see that lady behind me. Well, I've just asked her if this is the way to Folly Dolly waterfalls. It is. But she says, I hope you're not expecting to see a lot of water. Oh dear, so it looks like it's only going to be a little trickle. So I am on the right footpath, which is good. From what I've seen on other videos, it's only about 500 metres walk and it's all flat, which is also good. After yesterday's adventure, or non-adventure, which I'll link here, I'll put that up there at Wallcliffe Crags. Was great big hill for 1.5 miles. So yeah, go watch that after this. But yeah, I'm gonna walk it a nice long flat footpath, which is good. Which I've come on my own today. I brought the Canon 80D and my Mini 2 again. Whether I'll be able to fly my Mini 2 is another matter. But hey ho. But yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Excuse me. Oh dear, it's this exercise. The tripod's falling off. Right, I'm going. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Well, I've travelled an hour to get here. Still walking along the path, as you can see, and I was hoping for gushy water down a waterfall, as you know, as you would from a waterfall. But if they ain't got it, or if there's not a lot of water rushing, I'm going to be very disappointed. But never mind. Well, on the way here, I did see Langset Wood, which is, I love it down here, love it. So what I might do is on the way back, I'll take a few snaps there. I know there's a bit of a waterfall there, there's also a reservoir and stuff like that, so definitely be able to get some shots there. But it was drizzling and raining quite bad when I drove through there. I mean, the race now stopped here. It is a bit drizzly, on and off, but the sun is trying to come out, so if I spin you around, you can actually see the sun poking through the trees on the footpath. So yeah, we shall see what happens. Right, I'm going to hang up, I'm on a phone. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Bye for now. Right, it is Maltham, where Folly Dolly Falls is. Like I said, it's about an hour away. Like I said earlier, I have brought my Mini too, but whether I'll be able to fly it at the waterfalls is another matter, because from what I've seen it looks a bit tight, so we'll have to wait and see. I think there's an information board up here, so when I get to that, it looks like an information board. When I get to that, I'll show it you. We'll see how far we've got to get. Oh, it needs tripped up. Right, see you in a bit. Right, I've come to a circle. Apparently I've gone past the Folly Dolly, or the entrance to it. But yeah, I've come to a circle. There's a bit of information board about it. So there's that one there. There's about trains, obviously. We'll pause it and have a look at it, see what it says. Yeah, that's a big old circle there, look. Apparently some tractors used to go around it and round it and round it. Here we are. Meltham Greenway Davy Brown Tractors Limited. The tractors used to go round and round and round it. See how long it would take before they break, apparently. Yeah, you see, that's on this circle here. Meltham Greenway, Folly Dolly Falls. This is where we're getting to. Apparently there's not a lot of it. It's going to be like that. Not a lot of water action, unfortunately. I wanted it to be like that. What you get, don't you? Oh, something like that. That's beautiful, that. So yeah, not great. The last information board. This is about birds and plant life. Meltham Greenway Natural Heritage. So there you go. All the birds you can find in this bit of woodland. You've got like edge oaks, squirrels, butterflies, moles, mice, all sorts. That can be found in there, apparently. That woodland there. Right. Well, thanks to those two ladies sat over there with that gentleman. We'll go find Folly Dolly now. So there you go. GoPro turn off.
You can either go that way right down to the river,
Yeah.
stream, or just go on to the rowing platform.
So there's two ways you can get down it then, is there?
Yeah, that takes you right down to the bottom of that one.
Right, I'll go down there in a bit then. Then this is the top bit. I can hear a bit of water.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning, you alright?
Ah, not bad fella, not bad. There's a bit of trickle.
Somebody down there. Yeah.
I could scrabble down here, but knowing me, I'd break my neck.
Yeah, it's just there, that's it.
Oh, there's some there. But it's not bushy.
No.
Well, I'm assuming that tunnel's right over there.
It's down there, it's down,
Yeah,
down there.
got you. Right, now down at bottom, that gentleman that you're seeing has just kind of shown me where everything is. So obviously it's not gushing, as you can see, and as you've seen before, the waterfall's just round that corner. So I might be able to get a drone up if I can get a signal. So we'll see. Right, see you in a bit, guys. There you go guys, Folly Dolly waterfall. Not in its splendour. It's a little trickle. Oh well, you can imagine that with water, gallons of water gushing down. We've got reservoir at the top. Oh well, at least there's a bit of water coming. Now I'm going to get my camera out and I should be able to get nearly 2 around here. Like I said, it all depends about signal. Well, we shall see. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Right, that's tunnel. I'm not going in. I'll get your feet wet. Even though there's not a lot of water going in. I've already took a picture of that. There you go. That's that. There's a little bit of a stream. And the Folly Dolly's just round the corner. I better go back because I left my camera bag there. So yeah, it's a bit uneventful. Spin you around. A bit uneventful. But at least we've found it. At least we got it. Thanks to that gentleman. Don't know his name, but thank you very much. Yeah, so Maltham's Folly Dolly waterfall. So there you go. It's only me here at the moment. Everybody else has probably thought, well, we're not going down here today. There's a bit more water come through. Getting a ickle bit faster, but not a lot. Not as fast as I would like. So I'll put what pictures I have taken after this. And then, or after this video, I'll get the Mini 2 up. Hopefully it'll get some signal in here, because you can see it's all sheltered, so I'm hoping to get some signal. I'll probably just fly along here and up a bit over there, not too high up because there's a tree there. I don't want to smash my Mini 2 to smithereens. Yeah, well, like I said before, you can imagine what that's like when it's in full flow. The guy showed me some, the guy who brought me down here, he showed us some photographs on his phone, and absolutely stunning. Though when it's frozen over in the winter, it's alright coming all the way over here if it's not frozen. Or if it's not flowing like it's not doing today. Oh, gutted. But never mind. I'll say it's not flowing, and there's not a lot of water. Right, I'm going to get my Mini 2 out. I'll speak to you in a bit. Bye for now. Right then guys and girls, that's it. Not much drone footage today, but never mind. Not really much I could have done in there. I'm just walking back up them steps. That's it guys. So if you did like this video, don't forget to like it, share it, that would be absolutely awesome. Links to Epidemic Sound and DJI products in the description below. And yeah, that is it. Another short one, but at least I know where it is for next time. Oh, these steps are hard work. I'm always moaning on my videos, aren't I? Never mind, yeah, there's people coming there. Well, there's people who's just gone down. So I caught it lucky because we're on me there. So there you go. Right, I'm off. I've got an hour's car ride, so I'll see you in next one. Oh, I know I said I was going to go to Langset Wood, but that's put me on a bit of a downer with it not flowing as much, so I'm not. I'm going straight home. Right then guys, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye for now.